Hello everyone, this is Jay. Today we are going to discuss about stocks transfer from plant to plant in S4HANA, and everything we'll see in Fury apps. Okay, and we have to create the material master for the both plant, from sending plant and receiving plant. I think I have created the material for the both plant. Let me check whether we have created material or not for the both plant. Sorry. Okay, this is my second plant. Okay, this plant having these three material, and also first plant. Okay, both plant having this material and this one and this one. Okay, I'll do one thing directly. I'll use the app. Okay, first I want to check the stock for this material. That also see in Fury apps how to check this stock for this material. Okay, directly search your stock. Here we can search stock for single material, search for the stock for multiple material. Okay, these are the two apps. In ECC there is a T code, is the MMBE, there is the T code. We can search only for the single material, but in S4 we can search whether single material or multiple material. So I want search for single material. I want search for the specific specific material. So enter single material. Okay, enter. If you know the description of the material, you can enter here. I know the description of the material, just enter. Okay, this is the material master. This material having both plant this plant 1 and plant 2. So just enter the plant 1. So okay, let's see the stock for this material. Okay, look at here. This plant having 2160 pieces. Okay, and second plant having no stock having second plant. Okay, so in this plant having four storage location. In that 4 storage location, 2 storage location having stock. Okay, raw metal having how many cases, 11 how many 1110 pieces, and finishing goods having 1706. Total quantity is 2186 quantity. Okay, this plant 1 having stock. I want to transfer the stock from plant 1 to plant 2. Okay, if you want check the multiple metal, we can check here. Just enter your plant, which are the metal having connected with this plant. That metal will everything will show. So here the stock will show the stock for all the metal which are connected with this plant. Enter your plant, and then if you want to enter the storage location, you can enter the storage location. I want to enter the plant. Okay, just click on go. Look at here, this plant having this much of metal masters. So material, so and you can see the stock of this material. So okay, first metal doesn't have a stock, second metal having stock, and where is from where location, where is the, and this metal which storage location those are available, we can see here. Okay, whether it is raw metal storage location, whether it is finishing storage location. So we can see everything like this. Okay, this is how to check the stock in S4HANA, but in ACC there is we can search for only single materials. Okay, MMB if you are using. If you want see for the multiple metal, we have to use MB51 in ACC, but here stock for multiple metals. Okay, now I want to stock transfer from plant 1 to plant 2, that is SF01 plant 1 and SF02 plant 2. So I'm going to transfer this stock from plant to plant. That group for this is the group to transfer the stock from one plant to another plant, whereas processing. Okay, this is the app transfer stock cross plant. Okay, click on your enter your material. Okay, again enter your metal master. Okay, this is the material. This metal having you know both plant. Okay, this SF01 also, SF02 also having same metal master. Okay, just enter the I want transfer from SF01 to SF02. Okay, just click on here and okay, uh, what it is called. Okay, actually I have three plants. Okay, third plant having also having stock. Okay, but second plant doesn't have a stock, so I can stock transfer from this plant to this plant. Otherwise I will transfer from this plant to this plant. Okay, so firstly I want transfer for SF01 plant to SF02 plant. Just click on here. Okay, then again click here. Okay, how much quantity want transfer? Just I want transfer initial, there is a zero quantity. Okay, I want transfer suppose uh, 7 pieces. Okay, press enter and post it. Look at this, metal document has been created, and look at this stock. Okay, if you want to transfer from this plant also, you can stock, you can transfer. uh, then click here. Sorry, this is belongs to another company code, so I can't transfer. So these two are belongs to same company code, I can. So if you want transfer this seven one quantity from this plant to this plant, you can do. Click here firstly, then click here. Okay, I want transfer one good, one material, one piece. You can. And again metal document has been created. Look at here, this one is 7 minus 1 means 6. One quantity has been transferred to this plant. Okay, this is how to transfer the one plant to another plant. If you want transfer to the black stock, we can do. You can also send to the black like this, post it. Look at this. If you want to send the quality inspection, you can directly send it. If you want to return to the vendor, you can return. If you want to the stocks transfer plant, you can do. If you want to send to the storage location, you can do everything. It is so easy. It's not complicated like ECC. It's so easy. If you want transfer from one plant to another plant, if you want transfer the stock, blacker stock, if you want transfer the quality inspection stock, if you want transfer return, everything is so easy. Okay, no, I'll do one thing. I'll transfer black stock to unrestricted. Okay, for one stock. Look at here, section number again. Okay, showing here, and one quantity is a strong transfer from blacker stock to unrestricted. This is how to transfer the stock from one plant to another plant. And if you want to transfer the stock from blacker stock, quality inspection stock, a return, or otherwise from return to unrestricted, return to quality, return to black, or we can do anything else. Like you can use S4 HANA like a Excel page. You can delete, you can you can add like that. Okay, this is how to create a stock transfer, how to do the stock transfer from plant to plant. Okay, I think you have understand about complete process of the stock transfer plant to plant. Thanks so much for watching this video. And if anyone wants wants to learn S4 HANA and MM, you can just mention in comment mode. And otherwise send your mail ID. We'll discuss about further things. Okay, more about S4 HANA and training sections and classes and benefits of entire things we'll discuss about SAP MM and S4 HANA. Okay, who have interested, then please mention in the comment mode. Thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see in next topic in next video. Okay, thank you.